Good day. Welcome to another series of Mathematics Just Got Easier with the algebras. Today we are going to be considering an example on polynomials. We have a question on the board. We have given f as a function of x is equals to x to the power of 5 plus 5x to the power of 3 minus 2x squared plus 7, and g as a function of x is equals to x to the power of 2 plus 2x plus 1. The question says, give the quotient and remainder of f as a function of x divided by g as a function of x. Now to solve this is quite easy. The first thing you do is you arrange f of x and g of x in increasing power of x or in decreasing power of x. So you have x to the power of 5 plus, now on a normal note, after x to the power of 5, we should have x to the power of 4. But in this question, we don't have the power of 4. So what we simply do is we introduce the zero coefficient to the powers of x that are absent. What I'm simply means is, since we don't have x to the power of 4, say plus 0x to the power of 4 plus 5x to the power of 3 minus 2x to the power of 2. Now there is no x, so plus 0x plus 7. And here we have, this is f of x, and here we have g of x is equals to x to the power of 2, okay, plus 2x plus 1. So you can see, in decreasing power of x, you have x to the power of 5, x to the power of 4, x to the power of 3, x to the power of 2, x to the power of 1, and x to the power of 0. Because x to the power of 0 is simply 1. 1 times 7 gives 7. And likewise, for g of x, the question is already arranged. You have x to the power of 2, x to the power of 1, and x to the power of 0. Now we can go ahead to use our long division method. So, x squared plus 2x plus 1. Then you put this now. X to the power of 5 plus 0x to the power of 4 plus 5x to the power of 3 minus 2x to the power of 2 plus 0x plus 7. Okay. So just like the normal long division, x to the power of 5 divided by x to the power of 2. Remember when you have powers, in division, you subtract the powers. So x to the power of 5 divided by x to the power of 2 will give you x to the power of 3. So you have x to the power of 3. X to the power of 3 multiplied by x to the power of 2 will give you x to the power of 5. X to the power of 3 multiplied by 2x will give you 2x to the power of 4. When you multiply, you add the powers, because this is 2x to the power of 1 and this is x to the power of 3. So 2x to the power of 1 multiplied by x to the power of 3 will give you 2x to the power of 4. Then you have x to the power of 3 multiplied by positive 1, you have x to the power of 3. Now your normal non-division, subtract. So 5x to the power of 3 minus x to the power of 3 will give you 4x to the power of 3. Now, is 0x to the power of 4 minus 2x to the power of 4 will give you minus 2x to the power of 4. This is plus. Here is plus 4x to the power of 3. X to the power of 5 minus x to the power of 5 will give you 0. Let me write this and get it. So 5x to the power of 3 minus x to the power of 3 will give you plus 4x to the power of 3. 0x to the power of 4 minus 2x to the power of 4 will give you minus 2x to the power of 4. And x to the power of 5 minus x to the power of 5 will give you 0x to the power of 5. So you bring this down. So you have minus 2x to the power of 2. So negative 2x to the power of 4 divided by x to the power of 2. That gives us negative 2x to the power of 2. So we have minus 2x to the power of 2. Negative 2x to the power of 2 times x to the power of 2. That gives negative 2x to the power of 4. Negative 2x to the power of 2 multiplied by positive 2x. That gives negative 4x to the power of 3. Negative 2x to the power of 2 times positive 1. That gives negative 2x to the power of 2. Now, normal rule of non-division, do subtract. Negative 2x to the power of 2 minus negative 2x to the power of 2. That gives 0 because you have minus 2x to the power of 2 plus 2x to the power of 2. That is 0x to the power of 2. Then you have 4x cubed minus negative 4x cubed. So you have 4x cubed minus negative 4x cubed. Minus times minus change to plus, so you have 4x cubed plus 4x cubed. That will give 8x cubed. So plus 8x cubed. And minus 2x to the power of 4 minus negative 2x to the power of 4 will also give 0 because it becomes negative 2x to the power of 4 plus 2x to the power of 4 because minus times minus gives plus. So now let's divide again. A to the power of 3 divided by x squared. That gives us 8x plus 8x. 8x times x squared, that gives us plus positive 8x to the power of 3. 8x times 2x, that gives us positive 16x squared. Then let's bring down the 0x here. Positive 6. Then we have 8x times 1, that will give us plus 8x. Subtract. The 0x minus 8x is negative 8x. Negative 8x. The 0x squared minus positive 16x squared gives negative 16x squared. So negative 16x squared. 8x squared minus 8x squared gives 0. So what do we have? 16x squared divided by x squared. 16x squared divided by x squared will give us negative 16. So we have negative 16. Okay, I can just shift this. Let me write my answer here so I can shift it. X squared minus 2x squared plus 8x minus 16. So I just want to rewrite it so it will be clearer. So we have negative 16. Let me take that part again. Negative 16x squared divided by x squared gives negative 16. So negative 16 times x squared gives negative 16x squared. Then we'll have negative 16 times positive 2x gives negative 32x. And negative 16 times positive 1 gives negative 16. Yes, see how 7 here, so bring it down. Plus 7. Now let's subtract minus. Plus 7 minus negative 16. Minus times minus will give you plus. So 7 plus 16 will give you plus 23. So you have plus 23. Now 8x minus negative 32x. So minus times minus will give you plus. So you have negative 8x plus 32x. That will give you negative 24x. Negative 24x. Negative 16x squared minus 16x squared, and that will be 0. So we have, let's see if we can divide. This is x to the power of 2, this is x to the power of 1. So we can't divide again. This will be our remainder. So we have the quotient to be equals to x to the power of 3 minus 2x to the power of 2 plus 8x minus 16. And we have the remainder to be equal to negative 24x plus 23. So when we divide x to the power of 5 plus 5x to the power of 3 minus 2x to the power of 2 plus 7 by x to the power of 2 plus 2x plus 1, we got the quotient to be x to the power of 3 minus 2x squared plus 8x minus 16, and we got the remainder to be negative 24x plus 23. I hope you have learned something today. Book the tutors for your personalized online mathematics, chemistry, and biology classes available in price. Follow DR tutors for daily chemistry and mathematics content. Follow, like, and share. Bye. See you in the next class.